Man, buckle up, because what you're about to see is straight up wild. Today we're diving into a motorhome that doesn't just break the rules, it shreds them. This thing isn't just a house on wheels, it's a mansion strapped onto a monster truck. Welcome back to Sant Review's Hub, and today we're checking out the 2026 Brabus-tuned motorhome, one of the most outrageous rigs ever built. If you've ever wondered what it feels like to take luxury, power, and pure flex energy and mash it all into one beast, this bad boy here is the answer. Alright folks, let's get into it, because this rig has been blowing minds all over the world. The Brabus-tuned motorhome looks like someone took a military vehicle, told it to calm down, and then it absolutely refused. One look at it and you instantly know this thing wasn't built for campgrounds. It was built to make every other RV hide in shame. With its tall stance, monster tires, and signature Brabus attitude, the exterior means business. You get those aggressive LED headlights that slice through darkness like butter, a massive grille that screams horsepower, and a body style that feels more like a fortress than a vehicle. It has that Brabus gloss black vibe, mixed with carbon fiber touches that make the whole thing look super slick. And let's talk size B, cause this thing is huge. 6 driven wheels, ground clearance that feels like you could roll right over a boulder, and a stance that honestly makes it look ready for a Mars mission. The back end is where it gets even more insane. You've got a full-size garage area for bikes or gear, high-strength tow hooks, a ladder up to the roof deck, and those sleek Brabus taillights that add just the right amount of flair. It's rugged, it's bougie, and it's totally unapologetic. But the outside is just the appetizer. Step inside, and it's a whole different vibe, like walking straight into a luxury apartment that just happens to sit on a 6.6 tank. Brabus doesn't play around with interiors, and that definitely shows here. As soon as you enter, you've got that premium leather, Nappa upholstery, Alcantara everywhere, soft touch surfaces, and ambient lighting that makes the whole place glow like a high-end lounge. The cockpit feels like a private jet. The seats are plush, heated, cooled, and insanely adjustable. The steering wheel has that classic Brabus stitching, and the dashboard is loaded with digital screens. You get real-time off-road data, navigation, tech features, and a crazy sound system that thumps like a mini nightclub. Driving this thing feels like commanding a luxury battleship's smooth, powerful, and with all the tech you could ever want at your fingertips. Then you move into the living area, and bam, it's straight. Comfort mode. A big sofa that flips into a bed, overhead cabinets with soft close hinges, matte black finishes, brushed metal accents, and a full entertainment setup that lets you chill after a long day behind the wheel. There's enough space to stretch out, relax, and honestly forget you're inside a motorhome at all. The kitchen is fully loaded too. A big countertop, induction stove, high-end sink, lots of storage, mini oven, and a fridge big enough to hold a week's worth of food. Whether you're whipping up a quick snack or going full chef mode, this kitchen can handle it. And it's sleek, light-in, premium fixtures, and that signature Brabus design language that makes everything feel top tier. The bedroom is where Brabus really flexes. You get a full-size bed with memory foam, overhead lighting, privacy shades, USB and wireless charging spots, and clean storage solutions that keep everything organized. Waking up in this room is like waking up in a luxury hotel, except you can park it wherever you want. And the bathroom? Yeah, they didn't skimp there either. You get a real shower with a rainfall head, high-end tiles, a modern toilet, mirrors, with LED lighting, and a ventilation system that keeps everything fresh. It's clean, it's classy, and it definitely doesn't feel like a cramped RV bathroom at all. But this rig isn't just about flexing, it packs serious performance. Under the hood is a Brabus-tuned powerhouse, delivering massive torque and horsepower that make this 6.6 move like something a vehicle this size shouldn't be allowed to do. Whether you're cruising highways or crawling up rocky terrain, the engine never feels stressed. The 6.6 all-wheel drive system is engineered for extreme off-roading. Sand, mud, snow, even gnarly trails, this thing just keeps going, like it's laughing at the terrain. And despite its size, the suspension is incredibly smooth. You could hit bumps or dips and barely feel them inside. The transmission is tuned for both comfort and power delivery. You can tow huge loads, climb steep hills, and still enjoy a buttery smooth ride. And with multiple drive modes, you can switch from highway cruising to off-road beast mode with a simple tap. Now, let's talk price, because you already know a machine like this doesn't come cheap. The 2026 Brabus 6.6 Motorhome starts around the extremely high end of the luxury market. The final price depends on the customization, tech features, and extra accessories you choose. But no matter what, it's a premium product built for people who want the absolute best and don't mind paying for it. You're buying extreme engineering. Premium materials. A luxury lifestyle. And the power to go anywhere you want while still living like royalty. So there it is. The 2026 Brabus 6.6 Motor. A wild mix of style, muscle, and luxury that takes adventure to a whole new level. This thing isn't just transportation, it's a statement. If you're looking to turn heads everywhere you go and live large on or off the grid, this monster right here is the dream. Thanks for watching Senk Reviews Hub. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the Brabus 6.6 Motorhome, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned, because we've got plenty more insane machines coming your way. See you in the next one.